everything set up, let's go ahead and reopen Conview for Wi-Fi. Click yes when prompted. Now before we start doing anything, we're going to have to change some things in the options here. Go ahead and go to memory usage here, and if you don't have this already, where it says maximum packets in buffer, go ahead and change it to 20,000. That's 2 with 4 zeros behind it, and that's good. And also, if you want to do this, it's not really important though, because I don't think we're going to track by country flag, but if you want, it's just optional. Go ahead and go to your location and click OK. Okay, now we can start. What you want to do here, let's go ahead and start the capture and start scanning for networks around you. Here we go, we have some networks here. Let's start scanning. For example, look at this one. This one has WEP encryption, which is good because that's what I'm teaching you guys how to do. So go ahead and click capture, and now it's capturing. Okay, networks right here. Check this out. We have currently 77 packets, but to successfully crack a WEP encrypted network, you need about 100,000 packages, and that could take about up to maybe 2-3 hours, and it could take a while, but that's what you need. Maybe let's say that we have about 50,100 packages, or 50,000 packages. So we have about 50,000 packages collected here, and you can see all the packets that have been collected here, over here. What you need to do now is on the Notes tab, go ahead and click right click it and click copy MAC address. Go over to packets here and click open current buffer in tab in new window. Okay, open current buffer in new window. This little icon down here, go ahead and click it. Now what you have to do is go ahead and click Control F, which is Control F, which is to find the packages that we need. So click on MAC address and paste that address, the MAC address that you just copied. And the reason we're doing this is because we don't want to use all the networks. You just want to focus on one specific network, that the one you need to crack. So click Find Next, and it has found it here, the console. All you have to do is go ahead and file, and now you have to export it in a format that AircrackNG will recognize. So that is Wireshark, TCP, and dump format. Click on it. Now I'm just name it 1, and go ahead and desktop and save it. Okay, so we have the file over here now. Try to this side and close this. Now, a tip I'm gonna give you guys: don't close this window just yet, because it's collecting packets. And if let's say you don't have enough packets in these logs that you just exported, it's a good idea to keep it running just in case. That way you can come back and export some more. Alright, so go ahead and minimize this for now. Now go ahead and open the AircrackNG folder you extracted, and go to bin and open AircrackNG exe. Okay, close this down. Now what you have to do here, so go ahead and choose here. This is the CAP file that we extract here from Conview. Open it. This is good. The WEP key size, I thought it has more than 128 for WEP different networks. That's good. Just keep 128, and all these settings are good. And click launch. Okay, now I'll download all the information here that you extracted the logs from Conview. So just go ahead and hit 1, because we already have the MAC address. You don't need to worry about anything else, and hit enter. Okay, now it's testing keys, right? It's testing keys on the IVs that you got. 54. We have 54 IVs, right? And it's gonna be an error because there's too little. Let's just wait. Most likely it will be an error. Just cracking here is getting different keys, trying different keys. There you go. Failed. Next try, it says, with 5,000 IVs. And yeah, it makes sense because you have too little IVs to crack. So that means you have to, that's why I said don't close Conview, because you have to gather more packets, right? And now, let's say you have more packets now. Well, obviously you do have more packets. So the same thing, you have to do the same thing. You just go over to packets, go ahead Make sure you have a MAC address. We have it from before, so don't worry. Okay, MAC packets, and then click this icon. It'll open up the packets. Control F, paste the MAC. Make sure you're on your MAC address. Find next. Okay, so there it is. Still in the same one, so we're going to go ahead and cancel this. Now you have to go do the same thing, right? Export logs, varchar tc format. We're going to name it 2 now. I'll save it in the desktop and save it. And here it is. Alright, now what we have to do is go ahead and close this and minimize this for now because if it doesn't work this time, remember, we still need more packets. So go ahead, do that, and close this for now. Now you have to choose, right? Now choose both of them this time, not just one of them, because these are more information that you captured, right? So that's good. Click open. These are all good. WEP, just go ahead and launch it. Here we go. We'll have this prompt again, and go ahead and just hit 1 and enter. Like you can see now we have 253 IVs, but that's still not enough. You need, like it said, I don't know if you saw it, but before here, like it says right now, it says try with 5,000 IVs. So you need a lot more. But see, that's the process you have to do. Just have it running for about 2-3 hours maybe to capture around 100,000 packages, and you'll be fine. And it should say. Now, when you successfully decrypt the network, you open up right here. It would be in format. Let's say the network is the password is, I don't know, this. It'll be like this, right? You have 2 numbers separated by a colon here. Right, 2 numbers separated by a colon, 2 numbers colon. The key, you don't need this colon. So for the key, just take these colons out, and this will be your connection, your password for the connection, for decryption, and that's it. Hope you like the tutorial. Do all that good stuff. Subscribe, like, comment, rate, and of course share. And let us know what else would you like to learn how to do. Maybe you like this theme. I actually have a really super easy way to install themes, and that might be the upcoming tutorial. For those of you that you don't like doing all that, the DLL changer, and doing the Explorer frame, changing the Explorer frame, backing up your files, too much. And also, if you want to learn how to do this on a Linux-based operating system that's not backtracked, because I know if you look at YouTube videos on cracking wireless encrypted networks, you'll usually get backtrack as your first choice, and that would probably be it. So if you want to learn how to do this on, for example, Ubuntu, go ahead and click the links on top of the screen, show up here, top of the screens, and it will direct you to it. Alright, thanks for watching.